And good morning from Puerto Escondido. I am right now in Casa Sodeli in the hostel where I'm staying. It's a very nice place. And now I'm gonna go and do some yoga and then take you with me through Puerto Escondido. Let's go. You wanna say something to the camera? That's the position? Not like that?
No.
So mega spicy. And here is the beautiful place for yoga. Now I'm on my way to the beach. And for your information, there is a lot of things to do in Puerto Escondido. For example, go see dolphins or tortugas, which are the turtles. Then they have thermal waters, then bioluminescence in the night, and Mazunte, which is a place as well that I'm gonna visit one of these days. Loads and loads of birds with yellow belly. So cool. And while I'm waiting for the surfing class to start, I have found myself some occupation. And here we are with our instructor.
Oh,
Hello.
ready for surfing?
Yes, sir.
Alright. We're gonna have to practice the basic theory. We're gonna go. Because you surfed before.
Yes, I did.
I want you to show me. Nothing present. I want you.
Okay. So.
Parol, yeah. Stand up. Okay. Stay there. Stay there. This position is totally wrong.
Okay.
Okay. Look to me. Stand up like me. On the board. Yes. Okay. Flex the legs. A little more. Okay, perfect. No! Stay. Stay, don't move. Only move the face. Looking down where you want. Like the water.
That's it?
Yes.
And that's the position?
That's the
Not
right
like that?
position. No.
Oh.
You listen to me, okay?
Okay.
Now, hands close to the ribs. Push up. Push up. This foot put it here. Now, wait. In that position, when you are there, push everything and move the waist at the same time. Yes.
Okay.
You look more professional. You don't leave the hands down. Up. Free hands. You got it?
Yes.
I'm gonna show you one time because I want to teach you properly. That position you have, it was wrong. Today you will have so many ways, I promise.
Okay.
Listen. 1, 2, 3. You slowly, no rush. Look. 1. Foot. Push. And stay.
Wow.
Parol.
La 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 la.
Stand
la,
up.
la.
Slowly, no rush. Yes, yes. But don't flex the body. Hands like this. This stays there.
Okay.
You don't move. This position, not too open. One more time. Feet straight to me. Listen to me, okay?
Okay.
Up. Don't look down. Always looking where you go. Hands, honey. Okay.
And now we're going surfing along these thousands of people that are already in the water. I'm gonna be next to them. Oh my god. Take it. And that's it. After I caught like 20 waves maybe, my instructor said that it wasn't that good because I wasn't keeping my hands right. So even if you think you've done amazing, there is always something better, something to improve. So I'm gonna try again, right? Now I'm gonna go and start my day because it's only 9 a.m. And this, guys, was the school. It's called Chenek Surf School. And we've got the instructors here, lovely people, hello! So come to Puerto Escondido and choose Chenek Surf School because it is the best. I was the only one who was catching waves today. This has something to tell you, right? Okay. And on the way back, look who I met. Hello, Mr. Crab. How are you? You want to say something to the camera? No? Okay. I'm gonna let you live your peaceful life then. Bye-bye! And it is already evening, and after I worked for the whole day, I'm going for sunset and dinner as well. And just walking on the street, I realized something. There is so many people missing one. That's just not okay. Mexico, what are you doing? Playa Puerto Angelito. Looking for food now.
Bienvenida.
Hola.
Adelante.
Gracias. There is not gonna be much sunset today as it is very, very cloudy. But it was supposed to be somewhere here. And I just got an entry snack. Mexico, they love their spicy sauce. It's so mega spicy. Also, you can see what I'm up to here. I'm gonna draw something. Oh, it takes some time to draw when traveling. To just express whatever I feel, to just, you know, paint maybe a beautiful view that I saw just for a memory. So I always travel with pastels. Love it. If you see me licking my fingers, you can understand how tasty this is, right? Yeah, what's happening?
Es para ti, o sea, para ti.
Oh, puedo hablar español.
Ah, ok,
Entiendo.
entonces, ¿por qué no me hablas español?
No, it's okay.
Pensé que eras maestra.
Maestra.
Sí, yo pensé que eras maestra de inglés, como te vi así como que notas
no.
en inglés.
Yeah.
Por eso mi duda.
Parte de Lalo,
We have
de México, de Oaxaca, Puerto Escondido.
we have future YouTube stars here.
Pero disculpa,
No, it's okay.
Sí. Te vi medio seria, te vi así medio enojada, así como que.
Oh,
yo
yeah.
dije, tal vez se molestó porque le hablé. Pero no, o sea, yo soy trabajador, soy mexicano y.
Calma.
No, tranquila.
Yeah,
¿vale?
tranquila.
Y ahí te invito una chela, ahí para la banda.
Chila, chila. the guy just approached me and told me that I looked so serious that he thought that even coming to me and talking to me, you know, like I got angry or something. I wasn't angry. I was just painting, man. And what I painted is just some emotion. I just wrote some ideas, some thoughts, you know, some internal desires to paint and write something. Of course, I got a free beer for no reason, just because. Thank you. If you see me serious, don't believe that. I'm not serious. I'm just concentrated, you know, focused on doing something at that moment.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Violeta.
Giovanni. Thank you. Making friends everywhere I go. It's a lovely place. It's called Marina Drinks and Cocktails. For a whole dinner and one beer as well as takeaway for tomorrow morning. I paid 200. Say hi for YouTube. I just found a driver to get me back to the hostel. Thank you. And this is my driver gone. Now I'm just gonna go back to the hostel and go to sleep, because even though it's only 8 p.m. it's been a long day for me, you know. I woke up at 6 and I really like waking up at 6, so I'm gonna continue going to sleep at 9 p.m. So again, thank you so much for watching this video, and have an amazing morning, day or evening, whatever time of the day you're watching this at. Bye.